Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a look using a palette that I feel like a lot of people have but kind of have forgotten about, and that is Urban Decays Naked 2. Real quick, don't forget to click that bell icon so you can get notifications for when I post a new video. So this is what I've come up with. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in Medium 26. I look like a boy. So I'm just going to blend that all over my eye using my Huda Beauty Face Conceal and Blend brush. Making sure it's evenly dispersed. I'm going to set this using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread, as always. Taking this on my Morphe by Jaclyn JH30 fluffy brush. So now for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using Urban Decays Naked 2 palette. And to warm up my crease, I'm going to be going in with Tease. You're also going to put this in your outer V. Just making sure it's evenly blended. So next I'm going to go in with my Morphe by Jaclyn JH37 brush. So outer V and crease. You want it to be pretty dark. And then going in with that brush you use to set your eyelid. I love starting looks and just looking like you got punched in the eye. It gives you a lot of hope for what's gonna happen next. So now we're gonna darken this up using Blackout. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and pack it with my Morphe by Jaclyn JH39 pencil brush. It's really small, so I can just pack it in, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a bigger brush after. You wanna start with like just a little bit. Outer V and crease. Just want to fly it in there. Then I'm going to go in with my Morphe S20 pencil brush and blend that out into the gray. Just to make sure it blends out nicely and doesn't look stupid. And keep on going back and forth until you get your desired darkness. You can always go back in with that Tease and just make sure those lines are blending well. I'm just going to use that big brush to fade away this side here. What's going on? Alright, so next things next, we're going to cut the crease. And so I'm going to go back in with that concealer that we used to set our eyelids on my BH Cosmetics 11 brush. It's just a tiny little flat brush. Just going to put some down. Do my little look up. I'm just going to blend out the edges here, make sure they aren't harsh for when we put the shadow down. The first half I'm going to go over with Verve, and the second half I'm going to go over with Pistol. So I'm going to start with Pistol and just kind of fly that over top. Then going in with the Verve for the center. I mean for the beginning. And blending this together. I'm gonna wipe off that concealer brush and go in with the shadows. And if you get any shadow above the cut crease, you're just gonna go in with that brush you used and blend it all out. And we're gonna go in with that S20 brush and pack in that black. Just making sure that it all blends out seamlessly. And using that Tease brush and picking up some Tease and blending those out. So just like that. Now for our under eye, I'm going to go back in with that small brush and some Blackout and just pack it on the lower lash line. Actually looks kind of scary, so cool. I'm just gonna brush off that Morphe S20 brush as best as I can, picking up some of that Tease and blending this out. Next, I'm going to go in with some liner, and I'm going to be using NYX's Epic Ink Liner. For my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to go back in with Verve on my shader inner corner E45 Sigma brush. So now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Icona lashes in Head Over Heels. Now quickly, I'm just going to go over those lash bands just to make sure no eyeliner is weird. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. Just making sure to blend your regular lashes in with the fakes. Oh, I saw myself good. To warm up my face, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm going to go in mixing these last two colors on my Bow Bell B4 brush. Coming down the sides of my nose. Just gonna pinch the brush to make it thin. And then just blending that out. For blush, I'm gonna be going in with Morphe's Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. And going in with Unapologetic. It's like a browner color. And I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. Then for highlight, going in with my MAC's Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish on my Too Faced highlighting brush. Also my Cupid's bow, and of course the nose. And then going in with Natasha Denona's matte lipstick. And I'm gonna align the outside of my lips with number 2 Melted and go in to the middle with 8 Naturale. Making sure my lips are hydrated. Just a touch. My hair is so wet and crazy, but this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Don't forget to leave your thoughts on this look or any questions you have. Also, request for future looks below in the comments. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.